is pretty useless on its own. It really needs software to make it work. While we can touch hardware, we can't touch software. Software is really programs and codes. Every computer needs an operating system. We use the Mac operating system. This operating system is called the Mac OS Monterey version 12.1. Some people use Microsoft Windows. So what is an operating system? This computer is made up of hardware and software. The operating system sits between me, the user, and the hardware. If I want this keyboard or mouse to do anything, I have to go through the operating system. If I want to print something, I have to go through the operating system. So the operating system is between me and the hardware. The operating system is constantly checking to see if I'm typing anything. If I type the letter A, it will tell the GPU to display A on the display monitor. What happens when I open Word? The operating system has to go to the hard drive and fetch Word. It has to load Word into RAM and instruct the CPU to run the program. If I want to open another program besides Word, so now I have Word and Pages running, the operating system has got to tell the CPU, hey, can you share some of your processing power between Word and Pages? So the operating system manages memory as well. It tells the CPU to share some of the resources. It manages the CPU's workload. Most times we open 2 or more apps. I might have my internet browser open and also Word, email. So the operating system helps us to interact with the computer. So now you know what an operating system is.